Hi everyone, I hope you had a good weekend. In this video I'm going to show you how to analyze the dollar index and also how it correlates with the USD pairs, EURUSD, GBPUSD. So this is what you usually should do before the market opens on a Monday. Unfortunately last night I didn't have a chance to record this, so I'm doing it for you now. If you are trading EURUSD or GBPUSD, remember you always need to look at the DXY. So if you go on tradingview.com, search for DXY, dollar index. This kind of indicates and shows you where the USD is going next. So what you want to do is you start on the weekly time frame. You want to trap the price between two levels. You want a support and resistance. So you got your support and resistance there. So you know price is going to travel between these two levels on a weekly. You then go into a daily time frame. You want to repeat the process on a smaller time frame. So if you go left hand side, get the square box rectangle tool out. You can clearly see there's a resistance here, and you want your support level here. So you know price on the daily always indicates where prices go next. So on the daily time frame, we can see once it's at this daily level here, you can expect it to go down to this level here. As you can see, this was a previous high low. So you know price can reverse to this area, which it has done. So when price goes here, you know price is going to go down to this level here, because we're looking at the left side, and as you can see, that is exactly what's happened. So now price is at this level here, you can expect price to go up. So price is at support. So if price is at support, we can expect the DXY to go up, which means the USD pairs are going to go down today. So I'll show you if that is actually true and if there is any sell trades today on the USD pairs. So once you've done that on the daily, which indicates which direction the price is going next, you're going to go to the H4 time frame. Get the rectangle tool on once again. You can clearly see there's a support here, resistance, where price has made a lower high on the H4 time frame. And once again, you want to do for the lower low where there's support. So you know price is going to travel between these two levels here on a H4 time frame. Because this is a H4 and a daily, we're expect it to make high lows to this region here. So I'm expecting DXY to go up, which means we're looking for sells on EURUSD and GBPUSD. So let's have a look and see if this is true and if this correlates with the analysis on the DXY. So go into EURUSD, start on the weekly time frame. You want to trap the price between two levels on the weekly. So you got your resistance and support. You know price is going to travel between these two levels. Look at this. Clearly it will continue to travel through this. If it does breach it, then it'll go to this level here, and obviously if it breaches the support, it'll go to this level here. You then go into the daily time frame, and you want to mark your support and resistance on the daily. So there's support, and here's your resistance. So remember what I said earlier, DXY is at support and it's going up. So EURUSD is at resistance looking to go down. So we're looking for sell trades today. So that's how we use the dollar index to help indicate where prices go next for the USD pairs. You go into the H4 time frame, get the rectangle tool out once again. I can clearly see price made a high and low here. Price has changed from bearish to bullish. So that is a support region on the H4. And here's your resistance on a H4 time frame. It's failed to breach it. Price changed from bullish to bearish. It's formed a higher high and it's gone down. There's your two levels. Now what we do is on the USD, we're going to go on to the H1 time frame and go on to the left hand side, get the Fibonacci retracement tool out. Because today is a Monday, this is analysis you should have been doing before the market opened, but I just didn't have a chance, so we'd look at the previous day. So this is Friday's price action. You'd get from the lower low to the lower high. So these would have been your levels before the day started, before the London session opened at 8 o'clock this morning. That's why it's ideal to have these levels marked before the day opens. So as you can see, once 8, 9 o'clock opened, there was a sell trade. There's your sell trade. See, unfortunately, I missed out a meeting this morning, so I couldn't actually be on the charts. But as you can see, let me just make that bigger. 8 o'clock London session opens. This would have been my support. This would have been my entry. Why? Because it's at resistance. We know, looking at the dollar index, price is going to go up, which means there's sell trades on EURUSD. Also, it's at H4 level, it's at H4 resistance, and there's bearish indication that there's sellers into the market, so it's going down. So this is how I would do my target profit and stop loss by using this tool. So I'm risking 10 pips to make 37 pips, and then what you do is you highlight the H1 candle, which I have, go into the M15 time frame, and highlight the candle that you want to enter on, and then just put your stop loss just above the previous high. So in this case, I'm risking 9 pips to win 37, a risk to reward ratio of 4. So if I entered at 8 o'clock in the morning, you can see I'm still in profit. Unfortunately, I didn't enter this trade because I wasn't at my desk. Otherwise, I would have been in this trade. I would have been in 10 pips profit. So if you're trading £10 a pip, you would be running a £1,000 profit at the moment. Easy as that, guys. That would have been an entry on H1 candle. And remember, how did I know that it was going down? Because remember, on the Dixie DXY, it was at H4 resistance. Well, to be fair, it should be here. You can see that price at H4 resistance and it's going up, which it did. So that's how we use a DXY, the dollar index, to indicate where EURUSD is going next. Also, let's look at GBPUSD now. So remember, you always start on the weekly time frame. You're going to trap the price between two levels, so you have a support and resistance. Here's your resistance, here is your support. Then go into the daily time frame. You can clearly see price made a high low here, and the previous high is here. Well, the previous resistance is here. So you know price is going to move in between these two levels. So now it's close to resistance, so we can expect a reversal of price to go down. Remember, it's at resistance because DXY is at support. So remember, as I said earlier, DXY is at support, it's looking to go up, which means GBPUSD is at resistance, looking to go down. So today, we wouldn't be buying, even though the candle is green, we'd be looking to sell. You then go into a H4 time frame, get the rectangle tool out, you want to just draw your support and resistance once again. Clearly see there's a resistance here because it's also at H4 resistance. And then you can see, you can either have this H4 level or you can have it here. So I'll have it here because it's the most recent high low. You then go to the H1 time frame, which will be your intraday trading levels. Get the Fibonacci retracement tool out, which is this one here. So today is Monday, we do it for the previous day. So Friday, we're doing it from the previous low, the price low to the high. So as you can see, it made a high low here and it made a high here. So you drag it from the high low to the high. So these are your levels for the next day. So for Monday, remember, these would be your levels before the market opened at 8 o'clock. So you know it's at daily resistance, H4 resistance, DXY is at support, we're looking for potential sells. So what I would do is, this would be my setup. Short position, 8 o'clock in the morning, where was price? It was here. Could have entered on that candle right there. So once you've highlighted the candle that you're interested in, you then go into the M15 time frame, and this was 8 o'clock as you can see. So that would be my entry. This would be my target profit. And this would be my stop loss, just above the previous previous high. So if you go into the H1 time frame, you can see I'm risking 15 pips to make 50 pips. So it's a risk to reward ratio 3.42. My entry is great, my analysis is great. Just because price action doesn't go down and it hasn't hit your TP. So just say if I enter this today at 8 o'clock I'm expecting it to go here. But just because it hasn't, and let's just say it potentially reverses and hits your stop loss, that doesn't mean it was a bad trade. Price action doesn't always go to where you want it to. This is why we use technical analysis, which is about 70% accurate. I follow the technicals. I've entered on a resistance. I've entered on a candle in my direction, which is a bearish candle. It's also coinciding with my analysis on DXY, because remember DXY is here. I'm expecting it to go up. So all these confluences are within my analysis. So because I've got 3-4 confluences to confirm price is going down, well, not going down, but it's a good place to enter, I'll enter the trade. So I've entered the trade. Obviously I didn't today, but let's say for example enter at 8 o'clock, I would still leave it running, and I'm hoping it would hit. But if it doesn't go down, it's fine, no problem. We just repeat the process tomorrow. And if it's still within this region here, if it's still within a range, then still we would enter sell trade and expect it to go down. So that's fine, no problem. Even if I lose 15 pips, I'm comfortable losing 15 pips. That's where risk reward management comes in. I'm risking 15 pips to win 50. So if I was trading £10 a pip, I'm risking £1,500 to make £5,000. Easy as that, guys. I hope you enjoyed that session. I try to do as quick as I can. I'm trying to keep my videos short and sweet so you actually watch them, because I know if it's longer, 15, 20, 30 minutes, it's overwhelming you. You're not watching it. I need some feedback as well if I'm going too fast, what you'd like to learn. But yeah, I've just shown you how to analyze the DXY and how it negatively correlates with the price action of EURUSD and GBPUSD. Hope you enjoyed that session, guys. As you can see, I'm just going back to the EURUSD analysis. If I entered here, great trade, I would have still been running profit. As you can see, it's made a low high. So if you want to do your repeat entries, you could enter here. And still I'm expecting it to go down. So there's no changes there. Let's just say 5 here. If I wanted to actually enter this market right now, it's 3 o'clock. I'm only sitting at my desk till 5 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to enter this trade right now. Stop loss is here. This is an entry on M15. My stop loss is here, just above this reference line I have. So I'm risking 5 pips to win 25. That's nearly a risk to reward ratio of 4.85. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this trade, and I'll report back tomorrow how it ran, if I was in profit or not. But I hope you enjoyed that session. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.